name is Chaitanya Bhute and I am pursuing my BTech IT Data Science M6 from Ajinkya D.Y. Patil University, Pune. So I am here in front of you to explain you about my project. But before jumping down to the project explanation, I just need to clear some basic doubts which everyone can have. So let's begin. Data science is the study of data. It involves various methods such as recording, storing, and analyzing the data to extract useful information. The main goal of data science is to gain insights and knowledge from the data, whether it be unstructured data or structured. The process of data analysis uses analytical and logical reasoning to find information from the data. The main purpose of data analysis is to find meaning from the data so that the derived knowledge can be used to make informed decisions. The title of my project is Information at Fingertips. Nowadays, everyone wants to be updated with the latest information. So to make the information accessible which they desire is our main motive. Here, we are focusing on the issue of shopping. We all know there are many shopping marts present, so it's a bit confusing for the customers from where they'll get good deals and best products. As the current situation demands social distancing and from where the customers can have a hassle-free shopping was also kept as main concern during this project. So these are the main objectives. First one, there are many shopping marts present. Second, know the options, know the confusion. And third one, transform your customer to a smart buyer. So here is the project workflow which we have followed to obtain the results during this project. Data collection, cleaning data, selecting the appropriate libraries of packages, performing visualites in Python 3 or Weka tool, and providing an interface to the users for accessing the information. Dataset collection. Data was collected through Google Forms. Main focus was to have a real-time data so that the issues from the ground level can be solved. Data consisted of 5 attributes which were targeting the issue. Local item outsider, shopping mart you prefer, for which items do you prefer this mart, what makes you choose this mart, and how would you rate this mart. Techniques. The whole project was deployed in Python 3. Best compatible packages were selected for the dataset. Seaborn and Matplotlib packages were used for visualization. PyQR code was used for generating the QR code. So here is a screenshot of imported data in Python 3. These are the packages which were imported. Pandas, which is used for data manipulation, NumPy for storing same data type, Seaborn and Matplotlib for visualizing. These are some plots which were performed for analysis. Figure 4, which was performed in Python 3, where shopping mart you prefer versus rating was performed. DMart was the shopping mart which got highest ratings, followed by Big Bazaar and so on. We also explored Weka tool for visualizing. In figure 5, the comparison between shopping marts and what makes you choose this mart is shown. Here also, DMart is leading from the front. QR code is also kept for service so that user can scan and get redirected to the website. So now we will have a look at the website. Connect for Info is the one-stop junction for the users to find the information. The tagline, exactly what you need, says the motto very much clearly. Chatbot is also kept in action if in case any assistance is required. In Info for You section, detailed information is served. Now we will have a look at the detailed information. So here the information is supported by the visualization and a video so that all the queries can be satisfied. So that's it from the project explanation part. As we came across my project explanation part and stats never lie, so we can conclude that the shopping mart which is mostly preferred by customers is DMart. I hope you liked this video and thanks for watching.